Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can export to Google Sheet in Smartsheet. So let's start. It's really easy, simple. So you want to be in Smartsheet in Home, and then what you want to do is just simply click on whatever Smartsheet you got and Actions and click Export to Google Sheets. I will just click on it. What will happen is that you need to sign with the Gmail. And yes, we want to allow it. And then look at this, what will happen. We are exporting the Google Sheet right now. And close. And now when I would go to Google Sheets, and let me give you a second. I can see it right here, financial month end. And this is pretty much it how you do it. So this is how you can export in Google Sheets. Thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.